Hello everyone, welcome into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to organize your home screen. So you can move all of these applications into specific place or specific spots that you want to the application appear on your home screen with a simple way. So here is the looks of my screen. You can see here I already created several I could say it has a folder. So I will I already put the similar uses of application in one folder so that it make me easier whenever I need them. For example, math, social media application I already gather in one folder here. So whenever I want to play with my social media, I just need to go up in this folder. So how to make them, you just need to how to organize application on your home screen. You just need to go click and hold in specific application that you want to move. For example, you want to move this Google Keep, you just need to click and hold this application. Okay, let's try it. Click and hold, and then we will be activate several option here. You can just need to go click and hold it again, as so that the look of the application or your screen will be like this. All of the application here is shaking, means that you now able to move this application into specific spot. For example, I want to move this Google Keep here, so that yellow will be with the yellow, and this one, the shortcut application, into here, so that the blue will be near with the blue color application. You can just do similar way here. Just need to do that. To create a folder, you just need to go click the specific application, and after that drag into the folder. For example, here, and I want to move it into this folder, and after that you just need to go place it here, and after that you just need to go click the random place to pick into your home screen, and you can do the similar ways to do that. That's all the way how to organize the application on your home screen. So if you find the tutorial today is quite useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.